Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are at the final step of our LEUPAY account, which is finally we get to cash out our crypto money, which as I have already told you in my other videos, it's my main purpose, and obviously I think this is your main purpose too. So before we begin, as always, please consider subscribing and also turn on post notifications, and also like and share the videos because it would help the channel very much. And as you can see, we are at a very small milestone today. We are at 800 subscribers. So I thank you guys very much for joining the channel. And now as you may already know, you can go to my channel, go to the playlist, and in here you have all different playlists with a certain kind of videos, so you can find them more easily. And also you have only playlists with the LEUPAY videos in English, because I do in Albanian too. So if you haven't watched them already, I invite you to go in here in the LEUPAY English playlist and watch them from the beginning to the end, because they are related to each other. So if we go to my account in here, as you can see, I have already made a lot of transactions. Mainly the the main one, the one that interests us, which is getting cash money from our crypto. After we have selling them. And if you have followed me, I have sold my crypto in cex.io, the crypto exchange, and also at kraken.com. So you can do the same. So you can sell the crypto there and then transfer the money with SEPA transfer to your LEUPAY account, as I have done in here, as you can see. And the first thing I did when I got my Visa debit card, which I obviously ordered, was going and getting some cash money. As you can see in here, the first one was on the 4th of August. I withdrew some money, around 82 euros. This is the amount in our currency, because we use lek as currency in Albania. And this transaction is from Alpha Bank. Then this is the fee from LEUPAY. Strangely enough, you get no fee if you withdraw cash on the Alpha Bank ATM. And I have done another withdrawal in here. It's the same 3 euros of commission from LEUPAY, which is the standard fee. And then I've tried another bank, which is Raiffeisen Bank, which we have in our country. I don't know in your country. So if you have Raiffeisen Bank and Alpha Bank in your state, in your country, I suggest you use Alpha Bank, because there is no commission from the bank. As you can see in here, from Raiffeisen Bank, I have withdrawn the same amount as I did on Alpha Bank, but I got a 700 lek commission, which is around 5 euros. So keep this in mind. If you withdraw from Raiffeisen Bank ATM, you will get a 5 euro commission from the bank, which is a plus from the commission from LEUPAY, which is of 3 euros. And in here, as you can see, I have done another cash withdrawal, more than 300 euros. And as you can see, up to 300 euros you pay 3 euros from LEUPAY, and if you get more than 300 euros you get 4 euros commission from LEUPAY. So keep this in mind. And obviously, if you need to get cash money, you make sure to get as much as possible, because every time you get cash money you get a commission. So the commissions adds up to your withdrawal. So it's better to make one big cash withdrawal, so you pay only one time a commission. So yeah, keep that in mind. And now I will show you the video that I have recorded by getting this cash money in here. Obviously it's a recorded session, so I will show you the video and comment on it over. Okay, as you can see in here, we are on the ATM of Alpha Bank in here. Obviously this is my card, this is my name, as you can see. And okay, let's insert the card. As you can see, I choose English because it's in my language. Now I enter the PIN code I have for this Visa debit card, withdrawal, saving account in this. So the sum is in our money, but Visa or the ATM or the bank does the conversion from euro to our currency. So this sum is around 360 euros, I think. So let's wait for the transaction. Now the machine is counting the money, obviously, and in a minute we will get our money. Please take your card, it says there, and you can see the card has popped out in here. And after you take the card, boom, there you go, and there are the money. So yeah, getting cash money with Visa debit card from LEUPAY, it works. Obviously it has some commission, but they are very small commissions. As you can see in here, I will show you in just a second the receipt in here. Okay, as you can see, Alpha Bank, we are in my city in here in Albania. This is my card, and yeah, this is the sum I withdraw. And yeah guys, that's it. Basically what we aimed from the beginning of opening the LEUPAY account, we have achieved it right now. Obviously I will show you other things like POS payments, for example, maybe. So yeah, you can basically now we can say that you can use your LEUPAY Visa debit card to get your crypto money out, either in cash or either by using them to buy things online or using a POS station, or let's say like any normal credit or debit card which you get from your local bank. And yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you having the same experience as me with LEUPAY, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.